Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-40T-DN-BCD-Nema production countdown timer. This order is going out to C.R. Lawrence Manufacturing, 55th, which is a metal manufacturing facility. They make metal handlebars for bathrooms, kitchens, and other such appliances. And how this will be used is it's going to manage and regulate the employee's production workflow in a specific area through the use of our Andon light and EOP buzzer. How it works is the customer sets the desired time through our BCD rotary switches and starts the time with our stainless steel junction box with only a single button. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this unit and showcase it in action. So as you can see right here, we have our wired stainless steel junction box button, which goes at one time. And as you can see, the Andon light is flashing red and the countdown is commencing. As it is right now, we have 98 minutes and 40 seconds approximately. So I'm going to press the junction box button again to stop the time. I'm going to press it a third time to reset it to the last value that it's set to, which is 99 minutes. So now I'm going to show you how to set the time via our BCD rotary switches in the top right here. So as you can see right here, we have our flathead screwdriver that we're going to set the time with these with. Open it up. And from there, you have access to the BCD rotary switches. So now I'm going to set the minute section back to 0. As you can see, it just went from 9 to 0. Do the same thing to the second one. It's the same thing. So now I'm going to set the fourth digit to 5 seconds. So just put it on the fourth BCD rotary switch. As you can see, keep turning until you reach 5. And from there we have 5 seconds already set. So as you can see now, through our BCD rotary switches, I was able to set the time to 5 seconds. The reason I did that because I wanted to showcase the EOP buzzer in action. So I'm going to press the start, stop, and reset button to start the countdown. Then once it reaches 0, the EOP buzzer goes off and the Andon light stops flashing red. So going over the hardware aspect of this model, we have our polycarbonate UL flammability rating of UL96 in an IP66 waterproof NEMA enclosure. Its dimensions are 15 inches wide, 7 inches tall, and 5 inches deep. Its display size is 4 inches, and it has a viewing distance of 200 feet. The number of digits it has is 4 digits. Countdown from a total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. Its power type is a 120 VAC SJE00W NEMA 5 to 15 power cord that is grounded into the enclosure itself. It comes with a 20-foot long cable. For mounting, we have our 4 through holes in the corner on the back side of the enclosure. And lastly, for accessories, we have our stainless steel heavy-duty momentary actuated 40mm palm switch that is a waterproof junction box. And as you can see, the junction box is connected via a terminal block, as you can see on the inside through the windshield of our NEMA enclosure, and our multicolored Andon light that flashes red when the countdown has started, along with our end of period buzzer that could be located on the left side of the top enclosure. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40T-DN-BCD-Nema production countdown timer with a stainless steel remote controller and Andon light and an EOP buzzer. Thanks for watching.